Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to research any topic using Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to research on any topic, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here once you are in your browser, you have to go to search for Claude AI, open the first option website, and you just have to make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you are signed in, you might see a this type interface. Now here, if you want to research on any topic, so you just have to write a simple prompt. So you cannot do this by a single line and like research on any topic. So you just have to make a proper prompt for this, which can easily define what you want. So let's say I have a example prompt here. I'm gonna paste it, and here you can see I have a prompt explain quantum computing. It's my topic to someone with a basic understanding. So if you are expert in this topic and you want to make research at a higher standard, so you can select here your standard or your standing. Once you have done, you have to enter some other lines like cover the main concepts, important terminology, current applications and limitations. So if you want to get anything else, so you can also try to add that here. And once you have done, you just have to simply try to just send this, just click on the submit option and just wait for some moment. It will give you a complete research on this. You can also make its topics if you want to get the smart summaries, so you can also get smart summary using this. You can easily create a PDF file. You just have to write here create a PDF file for this, and it will create a PDF file for your research. You can easily download it, save it to your computer, or you can also publish it or send to anyone else. So in this way, you can easily research on any topic using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.